I tell you, life is good when you're out having fun. Now, the Rimac Nevera driver was doing 144 miles per hour during a public event. And after the event, he turned himself in. Now, this week marked the debut of the Rimac Nevera. It was formerly known as the Z when it's being tested. It's an insane production car. It's awesome. And the driver did his best to take it to the maximum on a public road. And the video was posted online, which didn't go so well. A lot of people out there, they do reckless things. And definitely illegal. And to be filming on a public road, you got to be careful when you're posting videos on YouTube. You can't do stuff like this, especially when you're on a public road. And some people, they're smart. They'll blur it out. So at least blur the mile per hour out. People don't need to know too many details. Just know that you're moving fast. This happens a lot. But this time, this was an official event in which it happened, which is good. I think it's going to give them the publicity that they need to get this baby off onto a good start. And the video popped up online on Reddit, and it's eventually deleted. But it was also discovered by the authorities. So this happened on actually on a mountain road in Dubrovnik, Croatia. Light traffic in opposite directions. And boy, they were moving. They were hauling butt on this. And the video went viral. And the CEO was forced to acknowledge the incident and apologize for it. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Human beings, sometimes we just do crazy things, and thank God nobody was hurt. So that's the most important thing. Nobody got hurt. No innocent people got hurt. But hey, if you got the money, get a track. And this was all not necessary. But at the same time, it was good for publicity. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.
Hey you guys, say Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.